Imagine waking up in the year 2050. The world looks nothing like today. AI assistants manage your home, self-driving flying taxis wait outside, and humans may even live on Mars. In this video, we are going to explore what life might really look like in 2050, a world shaped by artificial intelligence, space exploration, biotechnology, and technologies we can barely imagine today. Trust me, you don't want to miss this journey into the future. By 2050, artificial intelligence won't just be a tool, it will be everywhere. From running cities to managing our health, AI will act as the invisible backbone of society. Imagine having a personal AI that knows your schedule, your habits, and even your emotional state, helping you live healthier and happier. Hospitals might be staffed with robotic doctors capable of diagnosing diseases faster than any human. Schools could be personalized with AI tutors that adapt to every child's learning style. AI will blur the line between science fiction and everyday reality. By the 2050s, the smartphone as we know it may be long gone. Instead, wearable devices like smart glasses or even brain-computer interfaces could completely replace screens. Picture this. Instead of unlocking a phone, you simply think about what you need, and your AI assistant instantly responds. Information will surround us, projected into our vision as holograms, making typing on tiny screens feel like an ancient ritual. Space won't just be for astronauts, it will be for pioneers. By 2050, humans may live on Mars. Thanks to companies like lunar colonies could mine valuable resources, and orbiting space stations might serve as tourist destinations. Humanity could begin its first steps toward becoming a multiplanetary species. Imagine booking a vacation to the moon instead of Hawaii, or working remotely while orbiting Earth. This isn't just sci-fi, it's a vision being worked on right now. To power all of this, we'll need an energy revolution. By 2050, fossil fuels may finally be history, replaced by renewable sources and possibly nuclear fusion. Fusion reactors could provide limitless, clean energy, something scientists are racing to perfect today. Imagine cities that run on the power of the sun and stars with zero emissions and unlimited potential. Forget traffic jams. The transportation systems of 2050 will make today's highways look ancient. Flying taxis could dominate urban travel. Hyperloop trains might connect cities in minutes. And drones will deliver everything from packages to medical supplies. Autonomous vehicles will be so common that human driving may even be banned in some areas for safety. The future of travel will be fast, clean, and most importantly, one of the biggest revolutions will happen inside our own bodies. Advances in biotechnology and genetic engineering could allow humans to live far longer, healthier lives. Diseases like cancer or Alzheimer's may be cured. Cybernetic implants could make us stronger, faster, or even smarter. Some futurists believe people in 2050 might live to be over 120 years old, with technology that slows or even reverses aging. Virtual and augmented reality will reshape how we work, learn, and socialize. Instead of Zoom calls, meetings could take place in fully immersive 3D worlds. Education might happen inside simulated environments where history, science, and art come alive around students. Entertainment won't just be watched, it will be experienced. Entire virtual universes could become new economies where people live, work, and earn a living. But with all this progress comes danger. AI could be misused for surveillance or warfare. Cyber attacks may become more devastating than traditional weapons. Privacy might vanish in a hyper-connected world. And perhaps the biggest question, if we build machines smarter than us, how do we keep control? Will AI remain our talor? Will it become something far beyond our control? The year 2050 is both exciting and uncertain. We stand on the edge of a technological revolution that could transform every part of our lives. The choices we make today in science, ethics, and policy will decide whether the future is a utopia or a dystopia. But one thing is certain. Technology will keep pushing forward, and humanity will have to adapt. So, what will your life look like in 2050? Will you be living on Earth? Or maybe on Mars? Will you embrace AI assistants? Or fear them? The truth is, the future isn't written, yet it's up to us to shape it. If you enjoyed this journey into tomorrow, make sure to hit that LIKE button. And don't forget to subscribe to Future Tech Adventures for more deep dives into the world of future technology. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.